veterans of veterans, and certain things we are used to. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Respect! We give praise. We give praise. Good to see you.
Blessings every time.
Come here, family. Now, as your selector guest said, we have to let people know that it's been a long time.
That's been a while.
It has been a while.
Yeah.
So I don't like all that assurance. Let me see.
Yeah.
How that was. Coming from a school teacher.
Yeah.
Right? People don't know.
One's a teacher, all is a teacher.
And from a teacher, serious entertainer. Of course, you were not named lieutenant before. Tell the massive here in Mandible tonight, how did you get the name? How did the lieutenant come on your name?
Winning DJ competitions.
Lot of DJ competitions.
Well, in
In those days, there were general this and general that, right?
yes. And brigadier.
And brigadier and some there. Alright? And then you decide to add the lieutenant. Did you know it's going to work for you? Did you know?
Well, people near me. People call me the lieutenant.
They call you the lieutenant.
Promote me from a private and up the line.
Now you're here in Mandeville. This here event is called Memories. Now GT always bring you on various events, various stage shows, various stages. But this is a special stage tonight. And I know that you're going to do what you do best. Special. Now, ladies and gentlemen, massive and crew, I'm going to present to you right now my brethren, my friend, one of Jamaica's best. I call him one of Jamaica's superstars.
Jesus.
Yeah, big up.
Yeah. You good? Yeah, you set? Ready, General.
I look for justice, but for bloodshed. For righteousness, but you rise up distress. Let's not be guilty. To answer your forgiveness from our dirty ways, to see your direction and your guidance today. That's true disobedience, you have all gone astray. You were the word to those who call it to good, but that's exactly what we have done. None of the things you say we should. We have lost our spiritual equilibrium. Reverse all your values and your principles to the ground. Yes, we're guilty. And when the Father look down on our mercy, plenty. And we are fast and you're growing. We have sound like, and we call it news. We have artisanals, God, rappers and youth. We have committed murder and calling it war. Those of us abused just because superstar. Amongst your people who have created division. Then point fingers in the name of religion by professing to be wise. We have become fools. We build more prisons instead of schools. We guilty. And when the Father look down on our mercy, they don't have really be blending, and we all want that you do. Yeah. What's that? Yeah. What is it that you know? Stitchie across the tracks. General in the last military. In the last military. This is a sacrifice philosophy. This is anthropology. No problem, like I say, man, it's not cheap. Psychology, applying it technology. Tell you what's the strategy. Man, figure, see that I'm just without apology. Study your biology, read physiology. Tell how we handle it and then trace to anatomy. One go get your history. Bring down theology, and create a big up online. We get the glory man a general. General, in this territory. Bring this territory. Bring general. General, in the last military. In the last military. Psychopharmacology, use psychotherapy, and they get you training with the devil ideology. I say that it's a tragedy, no bow to psychology. Look, we run a better, I'm no words in no vanity. Analogy, think about all this poverty. Righteousness, me prefer cause to see me analogy. Principality, spiritual atrocity. Jesus Christ, the darkness, the him of the Almighty man, a general. General, in a this territory. In a this territory. General, general, in the last military. In the last military. Get used to it. Get used to it. Yeah, man. Get used to it. Before you see what I've been looking at the church hand, don't forget about my friends in the dance stand. Try and look me up and release a mind. I'm not this one me dance and bring them to find. Now I fast and pray to Christ and bring them find. We have to fast and pray. Get used to it. Yeah, man. Get used to it. Before you see what I'm looking at the church time, don't forget about my friends in the dance stand. Try and look me up and rip peace of mind. I'm not this one me dance and bring them to find. I'm a fast and pray to Christ and bring them find. Stichie, I will fast and pray, and they never get the divine. Me, fast and pray to Christ and bring them find. Stichie, I will fast and pray, and they never get the divine. Awesome, powerful and great, mighty Father, save, protect and bless, but keep killer. Catch on the same device of our warrior, and you want to be the darkness. Righteous, holy one, in the name of Jesus Christ, I can't keep it on, because your blessing has a talent to the young man. I know I can burn the fire upon Satan. Grace and mercy granted to Jesus. Save and prosper, bless me and us. Let me to study daily your holy book. And take another look in our cookbook. Remember Moses did it, yes, being a man. In a more hard black, put a new song. Talented, excellent, entertainer. Let me go after Jesus Christ as his Savior. Fast and pray to Christ and bring them find. Stichie, I go fast and pray. I can't even get in behind. Fast and pray to Christ and bring them find. Stichie, I go fast and pray. I can't even get in behind. You are just to give mercy to everyone. Grant someone to brother this man, ninja man. Let him return hard in your divine time. To the right of character to get him back in line. Precious Jesus, bless me from Professor Loss. Save him God, help him to be serious. Help him to study Exodus and Leviticus. And you are Satan, run the minimus. I pray for the bishop, bless him with that miracle. My friend Buju and the friend blind. Fast and pray, fast and pray. The Christ I am never blind. Stichie I go fast and pray, fast and pray. And then the devil get deep behind. Jesus, remember big that elephant and sacrifice too. By the spirit in the life and make them brand new. As it have been passing the class, it's not too. See them change and then use them to serve you. Touch Shadi with your blood and set him free. When you bless him, make him call out, it is me. He need that fire, no me can don't pan me. It's a party like make you get busy. Right now, as I pray to you, Jesus Christ, Mr. Vegas, my brother, transform in life. I will clear in a sin, he will not die. In your kingdom, every morning. Generosity bring that angel, which I bring the long hand. Release the road that the blue, punish the road one. Father, remember, old man was the right hand. But with the right hand, we know you have a new plan. With a super cat, this is your angels and protect them from all attack. Holy Spirit, keep them on the right track. In the name of Jesus, none of them now go turn back. Fast and pray, fast and pray. To Christ and I friend them find. Stichie I go fast and pray, fast and pray. And to the devil get deep behind. Fast and pray, fast and pray. To Christ and I friend them find. Stichie I go fast and pray, fast and pray. And to the devil get deep behind. Do this. The devil come to destroy, kill and steal. Steal the cheese, so Chrissy the eyes is sealed. Like I'm not drink, I'm a match, I save them go. And then we testify, good praise about you. Let the spirit Stichie, I'm the blessed and all. Right to the so one more. Yeah. That's it, that's the have the market for that. Well, no, I don't want it. The buyer one was it. Yeah.
All right, Lieutenant Stitchie. Give him a round of applause. Come on. Give him a round of applause. Come on. Let him feel you. Feel the vibes. Feel the vibes. Remember the first one here, the show called Memories. Tell your friends about it. It's going to be